Here is a beginner-level relationship manager quiz that covers client-centric approach, trust and credibility, and customer retention and loyalty. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following best defines a client-centric approach? A. Focusing on product features over client needs. B. Prioritizing client satisfaction and value creation. C. Always offering discounts to clients. And D. Using the same service model for all clients. Answer. Prioritizing client satisfaction and value creation. Question 2. What is a key method to build trust with a client? A. Delivering consistent and transparent communication. B. Making promises even if they cannot be fulfilled. C. Avoiding client concerns. And D. Talking more and listening less. Answer. Delivering consistent and transparent communication. Question 3. What is the primary goal of customer retention strategies? A. Increase marketing costs. B. Reduce client engagement. C. Focus only on acquiring new clients. And D. Build long-term client relationships and repeat business. Answer. Build long-term client relationships and repeat business. Question 4. Which of the following is a client-centric behavior? A. Listening actively to understand client pain points. B. Always trying to upsell services. C. Using industry jargon to appear expert. And D. Avoiding follow-up after service. Answer. Listening actively to understand client pain points. Question 5. How does credibility influence relationship management? A. Reduces the need for product knowledge. B. Builds stronger trust and client loyalty. C. Increases dependency on discounts. And D. Reduces the number of client interactions. Answer. Build stronger trust and client loyalty. Question 6. Which action is least effective in retaining customers? A. Ignoring customer feedback. B. Offering personalized service. C. Maintaining regular contact. And D. Resolving issues quickly. Answer. Ignoring customer feedback. Question 7. A client-centric relationship manager should A. Push for immediate sales. B. Focus only on KPIs. C. Provide tailored solutions based on client needs. And D. Avoid emotional conversations. Answer. Provide tailored solutions based on client needs. Question 8. What is a sign of strong client trust? A. The client negotiates every transaction. B. The client repeatedly gives referrals and renews business. C. The client avoids direct feedback. And D. The client only interacts when escalations occur. Answer. The client repeatedly gives referrals and renews business. Question 9. Why is loyalty more valuable than a single transaction? A. It improves monthly incentives. B. It reduces the cost of service. C. It creates sustainable business growth. And D. It allows skipping client documentation. Answer. It creates sustainable business growth. Question 10. Which of the following improves trust and credibility? A. being honest about limitations and delivering what was promised. B, avoiding price discussions. C, overpromising results. And D, avoiding discussions around complaints. Answer: being honest about limitations and delivering what was promised. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Client-centric companies often experience A, higher staff turnover, B, greater pricing pressure, C, stronger client loyalty and satisfaction, and D, reduced focus on operations. Answer: stronger client loyalty and satisfaction. Question 12. Which action contributes most to client loyalty? A, automated emails only. B, regular check-ins and personalized service. C, occasional discounts. And D, referring issues to another department. Answer: regular check-ins and personalized service. Question 13. Which one damages client trust the most? A, fulfilling commitments late without explanation. B, sending follow-up emails. C, sharing accurate reports. And D, being upfront about limitations. Answer: fulfilling commitments late without explanation. Question 14. A client-centric relationship manager always A, puts the company's interests before the client's. B, avoids asking too many questions. C, seeks to deeply understand the client's goals. And D, talks more than the client. Answer: seeks to deeply understand the client's goals. Question 15. One way to improve customer retention is A, contacting clients only for renewals. B, providing excellent after-sales service. C, sending generic messages. And D, avoiding complaints. Answer: providing excellent after-sales service. Question 16. How can a relationship manager regain client trust after a service failure? A, ignore the issue and move on. B, offer a discount and avoid further discussion. C, blame the operations team. And D, acknowledge the issue, apologize, and resolve it. Answer: acknowledge the issue, apologize, and resolve it. Question 17. Trust can be built by A, being defensive in client discussions. B, giving vague timelines. C, being consistent and reliable over time. And D, avoiding difficult conversations. Answer: being consistent and reliable over time. Question 18. Which approach ensures both client focus and business alignment? A, listening only to top clients. B, ignoring customer feedback. C, selling standard packages to all clients. And D, creating value for the client and aligning it with business goals. Answer: creating value for the client and aligning it with business goals. Question 19. What leads to a drop in customer loyalty? A, consistent product quality. B, poor customer service and unresolved issues. C, personalized engagement. And D, timely support. Answer: customer service and unresolved issues. Question 20. The foundation of client centricity, trust and retention is A. Great discounts and offers. B. Strong internal processes only. C. Empathy, transparency and follow-through. And D. Relying on CRM tools alone. Answer: empathy, transparency and follow-through. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.